In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently resend a Calendly invite using Microsoft services. This guide is particularly useful when you need to send a quick reminder for an upcoming meeting or event. So, let's jump right into it. First, let's navigate to the Calendly homepage. If you're already logged in, great. If not, take a moment to sign in. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all your scheduled events. Look through these to find the specific event that you need to resend the invitation for. Now, clicking on the event will reveal more details about it. And here's a quick tip. If you're managing multiple events, it might be handy to use the search feature in Calendly to find what you need more rapidly. Once you've identified the event, you'll notice a button or link option that says Copy Link. Click on this to copy the invitation link to your clipboard. This link is what you'll send to your recipient. This step is crucial because you want to make sure that your invitee has the correct link to join the meeting on the specified date and time. Now, let's move on to Microsoft Outlook, where we'll actually send this invitation. Open your Outlook email and look for the New Mail option, usually prominently positioned at the top of your screen. Clicking on this will open a new email window, preparing us for the next step. In this new email, you'll want to type in the recipient's email address. If it's someone you email frequently, Outlook might auto-suggest contacts based on your history. Select the correct email address from these suggestions or type it in manually if needed. It's always worth double-checking to make sure you're emailing the correct person, as a wrong email address would mean your invite doesn't reach the intended recipient. After entering the recipient's address, it's time to paste that Calendly link you copied earlier. Position your cursor in the body of the email and right-click to paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on a Mac. This will ensure your recipient has direct access to the event link for easy registration or attendance. Once you're satisfied everything looks good, hit that Send button. The recipient will now get your email with the event invite, and you're all set. Sending this email not only serves as a reminder, but ensures they have all the necessary details to join you at the right time, without any hassle. So, there you have it, a quick and efficient way to resend Calendly invites using Microsoft Outlook. This process ensures you maintain seamless communication with your invitees and manage your events with ease. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more practical tips. Until next time, take care.